With the fall right around the corner, let's talk about the top 5 fall maintenance tips. So first up, you want to clean your gutters and downspouts. Make sure they're not loose or broken. That rainwater or snowmelt water can flow freely. You don't want clogged downspouts. And make sure your roof is in good condition and does not have holes or obvious damage. And trim overhanging tree branches or large bushes away from your house. While we're outside, number 2, make sure you winterize your sprinkler system. You don't want frozen or burst sprinkler pipes. That would be bad. While you're outside, remember to disconnect your garden hose. Do not leave it connected over the wintertime, especially if you live in a climate that gets below freezing and cause a frozen burst pipe or a damaged hose bib. Make sure you have your snow equipment accessible and in working condition, ready to go. Number 4, if you have a chimney and a wood-burning fireplace, you want to make sure you get that inspected and swept out properly by a professional chimney sweep. If you have a gas-fired furnace, make sure you change the filter, have it inspected, make sure the flames are burning nice and blue and cleanly. If you have broken or drafty windows, you want to replace them or replace the damaged seals around the window to stop drafts. Same with your doors. If you can see daylight coming in your front door, your back door, put a door sweep on that. These simple, inexpensive tasks can save you money on your energy bill in heating season, as well as keep dust and bugs out of your house. A bonus tip for you, remember to replace the batteries in your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detector and test it. What other suggestions do you have to get your house ready for fall and winter? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.